almost any perspective, early 2019 is something of a watershed period for investments in general and for alternative assets in particular. While we never know in real time precisely where we are in the economic and market cycle, it's quite clear that the environment today is changing. At best, we're in the late stages of a decade-long expansion, and at worst, we could be in the early stages of a major correction. Investors everywhere see a challenging period ahead for returns. Meanwhile, alternative assets has enjoyed a tremendous decade of growth, becoming ever more vital in investors' portfolios worldwide. The question for us all, therefore, must now be, how will alternative assets fare in a period that's likely to be very different from the recent past? Preqin's answer is, alternatives will do very well. Investors' memories go back a long way to the GFC and before, so they know that their private equity and alternative assets have generally had a good crisis. And investors with diversified portfolios across the private capital asset classes outperform public markets. These investors therefore recognize that alternative assets have delivered good performance through bad times as well as good. These investors are therefore telling us that they are sticking with the program and will continue to increase their allocations despite, or perhaps because of, the likely challenging environment ahead. Will the future be easy or seamless? No. Alternative assets face many challenges, ranging from the current stretched valuations in many parts of the market, intense competition for assets and capital, growing pressure from investors for their fund managers to deliver value for money, and issues specific to each individual asset class. The alternative assets industry has a long demonstrated ability to adapt and evolve in order to respond to challenges like these. And fund managers in particular are adept at evolving their strategies and routes to value creation, while investors are becoming more skilled and sophisticated in evaluating and assessing the growing opportunity set in the market. Finally, advisors are raising their game by offering services to add value to their GP and LP customers. A key ingredient in these selective strategies for GPs, LPs, and advisors alike is, of course, good information. Preqin is honored to be a partner and supplier for so many leading firms and professionals in the industry, and we continue to invest heavily to expand and improve our data and services. Alternative assets is our sole focus. We are grateful for your support, and we hope that you will find the individual 2019 Preqin Global Reports in each asset class to be a helpful resource and support in your work. Thank you.